Hey guys, welcome back. Christy with Oko Millworks, and we're just doing a short and sweet video today letting you know how to set up and install your Suckit Dust Boot for the Onefinity CNC. Check it out. So a good rule of thumb for getting going on a project like this with lots of little parts is just to lay it out and kind of take inventory, and if possible, make a smiley face out of some of the parts. Go ahead and grab your 1-inch brush that helps contain the dust and just press it into the channel, working your way around as you go. Next part of this process is to install the little piece of acrylic that's going to act as another guard. Comes with a couple different ones, and that depends on what bit you're planning on having installed in your router. There's a wider one if you're going to use a surfacing bit, but I just decided to install the 1-inch version and connect it into these 3 holes right here. Might be a little easier if you get the bolts started on the hex wrench. These are so small and it's hard to get them in and easy to lose. So take it from me. Put it on the hex wrench first and keep it over the table. Oh my gosh. Slippery little buggers. 3rd time's a charm. Don't snug these up too much because this is just thin acrylic and you don't want to crack it, and it's easier to align on the last hole if you don't go too snug until the end. These little mounts are magnetic, and they're what will eventually slide into these mounting brackets on the side. So when you are fixing this to the side, you want your magnets facing out. What is that? Oh, goes right here. Oh, yeah. This is the little mini mustache. Comes with a little mini mustache, and you just push it in. Another little mini channel, and it has magnets, and it goes boop, right there. Okay. These little pieces are for going behind the slots shown here. You want the magnets facing in on these little mounting holders, so this is the right one. And it just fits right in there. And this is how you tighten it down. And those don't need to be too snug either. Right after I got these mounting brackets attached, I wanted to test out how the Suckit Dust Boot fit inside. So what I learned was you need to mount, so when it's facing this direction, as though you're about to install it, this is for the vacuum hose, put these bolts through the front 2 threaded inserts when facing this way. There's 1, 2, 3. Put them in the first 2 on both sides. And then it's like magic. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop. See you next time.